Hello, Moneymakers. At least once in your life, you must have visited Wikipedia from Google. Whenever we search something on Google, it is most likely that the initial 3 results contains Wikipedia link. Wikipedia currently has more than 62 million articles in more than 300 languages. This content is being managed by over 1 lakh volunteers around the world. So what if we convert these articles into a YouTube video? I will use Google Bard and some other AI tools to automate this work. Rest assured, you will be making more than $10,000 every month if you consistently produce and provide additional value to the viewers. I will teach you on how to do this without any copyright issue and will teach each step in detail, so please don't skip any part of this video. Let's get started. Let's begin our journey with Google Bard. Open your browser and search for Google Bard. Click on the first link. Then enter this prompt: 10 most popular Wikipedia niche. And as a result, Google Bard provides us 10 most popular Wikipedia niches. So choose one of the niche in which sparks your interest. This way you will love your work and never get bored of it. As of now, I will choose a history niche for my video, as that's my favorite topic since childhood. What about you? Now ask Google Bard to provide 10 most popular history articles on Wikipedia. As a result, Google Bard provides the most viewed articles and also the popular ones. Now, if we create videos on popular articles, then most likely your video gets the same popularity as well. Alright, now select one of the topics and open that article. Here you will find all the information about that topic. So we can easily create a video with this information. My suggestion is not copy the exact article as your script. Instead, I would recommend to rewrite it in your own language or ask Google Bard to rewrite it for you. Now all you have to do, copy this article URL and ask Google Bard to rewrite this article into YouTube video script in maximum 300 words and paste the URL link. It's just an example video, so I will write 300 words only, but you can choose the length of your choice as per your niche. So here, Google Bard provides you a perfect script for your video with intro, outro, and covered all the information which is required. Now, if you are still not satisfied with the script results, you can ask Google Bard to rewrite it for you by using the following prompt. Make it a little bit longer and more interesting, and also start with an impactful and interesting hook for the intro. Make the video flow like a story. Make the script serious and successful. Also write the script in simple English. By this way, give all the details to Google Bard about what type of script you want, and it will give you more accurate and best results. If you need more prompts to write your script using AI, just like this video and comment down below, and I will reply you with amazing prompts for script writing for free. Now that we have our script, the next thing we need a video presenter or avatar. If you're good at recording your video, then you can try that. Otherwise, you can use AI to create an avatar for you and use that avatar in your video as a presenter. Or if you're beginners and want to make a free avatar, I will show you an amazing trick from which you can start your channel. In the beginning of your journey, I will suggest you to use a free AI tools only. And later, when you make good money, you can switch to paid ones for better results. Alright? Now follow all the steps which I'm going to show you to use it for free. Wait. Take a look at this screenshot from our channel analytics. Over 93% of people who watch our videos don't even subscribe to our channel. Guys, it really takes a lot of handwork to produce such content and give it for free without selling any $500 course or promoting any affiliated products like others do. Therefore, I request you to please support our work. It will not cost you anything, but it will mean the world to me. Alright, let's continue with our topic again. Open CapCut online video editor tool and choose a new video from here. Then go to the elements and choose one AI character for your video. And the best thing is, it is completely free to use, so you can easily start your channel with a low budget. Now drag and drop the avatar into the timeline. Press on AI characters and paste your script here. Then select the voice and click on Apply. You can enter only 1,000 characters at once, so all you have to do is repeat this process until your video is ready. Now export it to your computer. Then open Canva. Click on the video icon from the dashboard. Upload the avatar video. Click on Edit Video and remove the background. Now set the avatar on the left side of the page. Then go to the elements and search anything related to your video And here you will find the vast number of images and video related to your content. Or you can also find images and videos from Google or YouTube. If you do your own research well and find better footages, it will not look like AI-generated video and it will be monetized as well. Alright, now choose one of the video and set this video as a background. Then split the video clip and add another video as a background. By this way you can add many images and videos. Then you can also find many intro templates which you can add. Just drag and drop and add the title of your video just like this.
Imagine a world cloaked in darkness.
Perfect. After that, you can also add text behind the avatar. Just click on text, choose any of this. There are so many options available here. Just enter your text and position it in the background of an avatar video like this. And the best thing is here you will also get a variety of music, sound, and many more. So you don't need to get the music from any other sites. Just make sure to connect your social accounts with Canva if you are using their audio library music, so you don't get any copyright in your video. That's it. So this is how you can create any type of videos from Wikipedia using free realistic avatar. Since you watched our video till the end, we have a complimentary bonus for you. Once you upload your video to YouTube, you can create a Facebook page and upload the same content over there as well. This way, once your pages grows, you can make money from Facebook as well. Just one friendly reminder, if you haven't liked this video yet, please do, as it will motivate us to create more such content in the future. Bye for now.